Y'all remember from the last video, this was all thick. So now we getting back here a little bit, y'all. So we ready to burn it for a couple of pounds. We got a pile right here. Gonna burn that up. So we just got this little part right here. I'm gonna finish up. I'm shut it down for the day though, 'cause I gotta go. I gotta be somewhere. So I put a couple of hours in today. A couple of hours. I was able to knock out mostly all this right here today. Pretty much did all that today. A couple of hours. Still got it. I want to leave this right here, this little island right here. I'm gonna leave that island, but I'm gonna knock those little stumps around it, clean that island up real good, leave those evergreen there. I'm gonna bring my mowboard and start tilling this ground around, turning this stuff over, y'all. I ain't gonna walk all the way down there. I'm probably about not even halfway in. But yeah, this is the progress so far. This is where we at. So yeah, y'all stay with me. We're gonna have some vegetables coming up soon.